in a world where small businesses are the backbone of our economy. Small Enterprise Magazine shines as the beacon of guidance and empowerment for
MSMEs.
Join us on a journey of knowledge and growth. Introducing Small Enterprise Magazine, your one-of-a-kind resource dedicated to empowering
MSMEs
and helping their businesses thrive. Small Enterprise Magazine stands out from the crowd. While other business magazines focus on fleeting news, industry statistics, political and celebrity gossip, we provide in-depth cover stories on your business's essential topics like SME banking and finance, small business technology, marketing strategies, logistics and supply chain, entrepreneurship, SME success stories, women in business, and more. Every issue is packed with valuable insights that you won't find anywhere else. Our articles become your go-to resources, guiding you to make informed decisions and drive your business forward. Join thousands of
MSMEs
who rely on Small Enterprise Magazine to stay ahead of the curve and achieve their goals. Small Enterprise Magazine is available free to Geo subscribers and on
Magster
at a special rate. Subscribe to the digital edition today and unlock the amazing possibilities of bringing innovation to your business. Become an informed decision maker with Small Enterprise Magazine. Subscribe now.